guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Francisca, and today I want to show you guys something I just got in the mail. You see that? So if you didn't know, DevaCurl was doing this like some curl obsession bundle, and you know, they just got me at the right time because I had just got paid, and I was like, hey, why not? Because normally, like, so there were boxes from each type. There's about 4 to 5 people who had like a bundle that they made, like curly haired girls, and you can pick out of the bundles, and this is the one I picked, so I want to show you guys what was in my box. So this retails for $168, but with the bundles it was $100, and today is May 8th, but honestly the video will not be up today because I have other videos to edit. But when this video is up, the promotion will be over. From the last time I checked, it said that it goes until May 8th, which is today. I ordered mine on like the 2nd or 3rd day. I saw it up there, so I'm just gonna open this up and show you guys what I got from it. Alright, so it comes with a list on what it comes with. First item is the DevaCurl styling cream. This one is for define and control, and the super cream is for define and control also. Next product is the DevaCurl One Condition Original Daily Cream Conditioner. So I have the DevaCurl One Condition Decadence, which has like that bluish green bottle, but this one is like more of a green than a blue. Next product is the Low Poo Original Mild Lather Cleanser. I'm kind of excited to actually use this one because the shampoo that I have from DevaCurl is the no poo, and this is low poo, so maybe I feel like a cleanse, I guess, when I shampoo my hair the next time. Next product is the DevaCurl Light Defining Gel. It's supposed to be a soft hold, no crunch styler, which I'm actually pretty glad about because I don't like stylers that make my hair really crunchy. It just reminds me of back when I was in 9th grade and and 8th grade, where I used to just like wet my hair, get a whole bunch of that purple can mousse and like that hairspray, and my hair would be all sticky and crunchy, and that was not a fun time. But I mean, it's okay. It's okay. So the next product that I got was the DevaCurl Heaven and Hair Divine Deep Conditioner, which honestly, like, I haven't been able to get. I have one of these and I haven't got across to using it because I'm like, what if I love it and then I just kill it? Because this is only an 8 ounce, and it's so like, it smells good too. It's like that like teal or like that bluish green color. I can't wait to try it. That might be in my next Treatment Tuesday. I don't know, I gotta think about it. I also have the Melt and Moisture, which is not what I got from the box, but it smells really good. It's like a more bluish green, which is awesome. I love that color, so I'm glad with that. My cat just like knocked over my box from my table, like, because she wants to get in it, and it's like, really, girl? Like, okay, cool. So the next product that was in the box is the DevaCurl Believe In Miracle Curl Pumper. It gives texture and volume. I'm actually really excited for this one because I sometimes, like, on my day 1 hair, like, I have a lot of flatness. Like, I have to like a whole bunch because my hair is really flat, so like I really need that extra texture and volume. Plus, like, my hair only gets, on day 1, it only gets bigger when I diffuse it, which is a good thing about diffusing. But yeah, I want to smell this. Is it good? Damn, it has one of those things on it. Why is it so hard? Oh, it smells good. Don't try this at home. And just like that, my DevaCurl expansion has gotten bigger. Behold. built over time. Don't go crazy, ladies. All right, and so the final thing that I got in my curl obsession box is this DevaCurl Deva towel, which I'm actually like pretty excited about because I know not to use regular towels on my hair. I use cotton t-shirts, but it's been a long time I've been using cotton t-shirts. And not only that, but like when I style my hair, I have like I make sure my hair is really wet. So because of that, my hair's like dripping all over my shirt, so I normally have to put like a different shirt on than what I'm actually gonna wear if I want it to be dry. So sometimes I put a regular towel underneath my hair, and I feel like even that little bit of friction is bothering me. So this is gonna be my new go-to. Let's see how big it is. It's cute. It's got a little thick string with it. They tied it up. That's cute. And it's actually really long. Oh, and it has a little thing where you can hang it up so it can dry. Wow, I'm excited now. So basically my box came with 7 different things, and like I said, it retails for $168. I think you guys should be looking out if you're interested in DevaCurl products for the next time it's on, because I know that the thing stops now unless they extend it. So I think it's a good idea to go ahead and pick one of those boxes. I was so excited that I was thinking about picking 2. That would have been overboard, so I know. I gotta calm down. Yeah, those were my products in my box, and if you guys got a curl obsession box from DevaCurl, go ahead and comment that down below and tell me what you got. Also, if you don't know much about DevaCurl, just comment that below and I'll tell you or answer any questions that you would like to know. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'm so excited about my hair products, so I hope you guys are too, because I will be doing reviews on hair masks, and it's gonna be on Tuesdays, and it's my treatment Tuesdays. So go ahead and click that subscribe button, and don't forget about that notification bell so you can get a notification every single time I upload. Thank you guys for watching so much, and I'll see you guys next time.